Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to see value added tax on Amazon. We will answer the frequently asked questions by many people who are working on Amazon, and it will help you guys to understand what are the laws and how you can register with value added tax if you are working on Amazon. So let's start with the first question: why Amazon collecting value added tax? It is under KSA law that Amazon is required to calculate and collect KSA VAT and submit to the KSA government. So such as monthly subscription and selling on Amazon fees. So they are charging 15% VAT on these service charges and selling goods. So Amazon shall provide you with the tax invoice for all fee and applicable VAT as payable by you. So whatever you are paying to the Amazon is liable to give you an invoice, value added tax invoice. So you can submit that invoice when you are going to make return for the value added tax to the Saudi government. So the next question is the percentage of VAT charged by Amazon. It is the laws in KSA that 15% VAT is applicable on all the fee charged by Amazon. Whatever the Amazon is earning from Saudi Arabia, they are liable to pay the 15% VAT. Now, as a seller, am I required to charge VAT on my sales on Amazon? Yes. If you are VAT registered in KSA having value added tax number, then you can charge VAT on your selling. And after that, you need to submit that VAT to the government. So mandatory requirement for value added tax registration for sellers. What is mandatory requirement? If the total value of your supplies and imports made within KSA exceeds the mandatory registration threshold of SR 375,000 during the previous 12 months. If you are making sales of 375,000 or above, you are mandatorily required to register for value added tax. Do I need to register for value added tax in the KSA as an international seller? Yes. If you are a non-KSA resident supplying goods in the KSA through Amazon FBA channel, then you will be required to register for VAT irrespective of the level of turnover from such sales. All international FBA sellers selling goods from the KSA shall be subject to nil VAT registration threshold. Value added tax registration will be effective from the date on which you start making the sales in the KSA. So here, how can I apply for VAT registration and obtain a KSA VAT registration number? In KSA, you can register online on the tax authority's website. When you are going to Google, just Google and write the Saudi Zakah or the tax department website. So they will show you dzakah.com.sa. So here, the next question is, what if I ship goods to the customer from a location outside KSA? The recipient of the product may be required to pay upon delivery an amount related to assessed import VAT. Like if we are shipping goods out of KSA, so we are not going to pay any VAT or we are not going to charge any VAT on the sales. So the receptionist of the goods other than the KSA, they have to pay VAT to the customs or their government authorities according to their laws and regulations. Here the next is, who will be responsible for issuing a tax invoice for my sales on Amazon, like sellers. So it is a seller responsibility. It is your responsibility to generate an invoice on your name and according to your CER commercial registration number. So you are the responsibles to issue an invoice to the consumer. The next question, what are my VAT obligations relating to return orders? In case of return orders from any consumer to you, the seller is authorized to create a credit note as a refund of the VAT also to the consumer. So you are required to provide the customer with a valid tax credit note also. So these are the frequently asked questions by the sellers, that how Amazon works with the VAT. So I hope guys these questions are well aware by you now, so you can freely make selling on Amazon. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel as it keeps motivating us to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.